Seeing hold on your Spectrum Arris cable box usually means parental controls or a pin lock is active. It's a security feature, not a hardware issue. The box is preventing access to a channel or content because it thinks there's a potential violation of parental control settings. This requires a 4-digit PIN to unlock, which was set up during initial box setup or via your Spectrum account. The hold message is essentially a software lock, triggered by attempting to access restricted content or channels. It's different from error codes like ERR, which indicates signal loss, or rent, which is a rental lock. First, try the basics. Power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds and check your remote's batteries. If that doesn't work, try to recall your PIN and enter it when prompted. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can reset it through the on-screen menu. Go to Settings, then Parental Controls, and select PIN Entry to reset. Alternatively, you can reset your PIN via the Spectrum app or website. If problems persist, Spectrum's AI-driven chatbots available 24/7 can diagnose and often resolve the issue. Remember that Spectrum is pushing for app-based streaming and cloud DVR. Physical cable box issues are becoming less critical.